Ryan from Mgh Emergency Lighting. Got a warm day today compared to what we have had. Got a 2021 Ram quad cab here. This one's for our local hospital. Up front, notice everything's off right now. We've got 4 surface mounts up front. Right here in the grill, mounted them a quick connect for jump starting vehicles, something they do a lot. Up behind the visor, up in the visor, we've got a Fusion dual color. Coming down the sides, got T3s in the back. As we make our way out back to the rear of the truck, we've replaced the turn signals with cannons. They function warning and turn signals. We've got Fusions up in the back glass, and we got cannons up top. Moving inside here, we've replaced the center console, the Havis console. You can see the pole up front for the computer stand. That is on the way. They've determined what computer they're going to use. And then in the back, we've mounted a single lock AR style lock back there. Had to turn it sideways to get the room we needed. And then controlling everything, we have our Feniex 4200 with the Storm Pro. Got a lockable storage and the all-important cup holders back there. Now we've got everything on. We'll take you out here, show it to you again. Now we've got a headlight flasher. We've got Fusion surface mount dual colors, red, white, blue, white. Those will override to a takedown flood mode. We've got the dual color Fusion interior bar up top, red, white, blue, white. It will also override to a flood mode. Around the side, got our T3 in the glass. We had originally spec'd pucks for this truck, but needed to save some money, so we went with the T3. Then you can see the cannons down in the turn signal pockets. We've got the Fusion surface mount up in the glass, and then we've got cannons up top that also function as cargo lights. So we'll go in here, we'll turn on flood mode for you. And we also, of course, have our traffic visor, siren functions, all our other functions. Turn on flood mode for you. That's going to give us all white to the front. That way they can see what they're doing. So, if this is something you need, something like it, give us a call. Mgh Emergency Lighting. And always remember, when you need to be seen, see us.